Hello, welcome everybody to this video. In the previous lesson, we saw how to install and configure the main theme content, which is basically the dummy or the demo content of any theme. For example, here we're using Puka theme. So this theme comes with a list of demo products that we could use in order to make the website or our website looks good. So the first thing we need to configure is to understand the layout of this website. So generally, in any website in the world, especially we have WordPress, we have multiple sections. So if we divide the website into sections, we could have the first section, which is basically the one over here on the top. This is considered as header. We generally call it header, head or header. Next, we have the content of the site, which is the content below the header. So this box over here all the way to the bottom considered as content. And this content normally changes from page to page. So generally speaking, when we go to this website, scroll all the way to the bottom, we have also this section over here. This is known as footer. This section over here, let me just make it in red. This section is called footer, F-O-O-T-E-R. And these boxes over here considered as widgets. So these are called widgets. So it's obvious that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 widgets. And also we have another section all the way to the bottom. This is called bottom footer. This section. So we understand the sections and we understand where is the content, which is basically below the header. All these items are considered as page content items, or page items. How we could configure these items? First, let's get started with the header. First thing, let's change the logo. So in order to change the logo, you could go to a customize button, or you go to the Puka options over here. Click on the Puka options. You will be redirected to this page. Click on the header, and inside here we have a place to upload the logo. So basically click on the upload button, go upload files, and select the folder that you have. Let's go to the project folder. Let's choose this. We have this logo, we just select it, and after that just gonna wait until this logo is uploaded. And all the way to the bottom, generally most of the time you're gonna find a button to the right called select. You just select it. So notice here the size of this image is huge, so it's around 2 megabytes. So I do recommend to edit this image using WordPress and resize it to another size. For example, we could scale this site by a ratio. Let's say scale it to 50%, or let me see if I could scale it to 50%. You couldn't scale it, so let me say I want to scale it to something like 1024 times 662. Click scale. So I just scale it down, and you could crop this logo. So we're just gonna select the logo, crop it to a certain limit, and click on crop again. So you're gonna crop the logo that you have, and then once you crop it and edit it, you just select that logo and That's it. Here's the logo selected. You can make sure this logo is selected by going to again selected, so it just selected. Here we have the logo width, the logo padding, the tablet logo, the other options. So just click on save button and back to the home page. Just refresh it by clicking on the right click, refresh it. Here we just got the new logo up there. Next we have this menu. So this menu should be changed into something else. So I do recommend most of the time to configure the menu into something related to your business. So generally we have something inside the admin. If you go to the admin, for WP admin on your website, you can go to appearance menus, and from there we could make a new menu. So let's try to create a new menu. We have different tons of menus here. We're not going to use all these. We're just going to start a new menu. So click on the create a new menu button, and let's choose this menu as LP menu. Just gonna name it LP menu. Create this menu, and after you create it, select it from the menu items over here and click select. Once you select this menu, you could start working with it. So I'm just gonna make it primary menu and mobile menu, and just gonna select save and add items to this menu. So generally we have different items. So here we're gonna choose the home page, which is home 8, about us page, the cart page, the checkout page, the contact us page, and also we're gonna choose, here we have the Elementor, we have the my account page, the wish list page, the term of use page, the shop page, which this one we have different items, but we can select the pages that we need and just add to menu. Click add to menu, you're gonna add them all. So first the home page, let's just change its name to home. We have another item called about us, so let's make it at the end. Also we have contact us page, let's make it at the bottom, all over the way down. And we have also my account, let's make it second item. We have the cart page and the checkout page, shop page. All right, term of use, we could make it under about us. The wish list, you could make it under my account. The shop page, you could make it any way you want, but this is simple usage. So here we got all these pages. I do recommend that you add also another register item over here. Right now we don't have that, but definitely we could add it later on. So you got other options, like you have orders, you have addresses, log out. You could add all these to menus, and you could place them under your my account tab, as you can see. Just gonna save this menu and visit the site again to see the changes. So you can see we got home, got my account, under it we have account details, wish list, we have cart, orders, checkout, shop, about us, term of use, contact us. All these are considered as the main page. In the next video we're gonna show you how to edit this section over here, and also we're gonna show you how to change the bottom section. So I do recommend all the time to finish the small part, then go to the larger part. So we finished the header. Let's move on to the bottom, we're going to change the footer. Then we're going to start with this content, with the demo content, and gonna apply the changes step by step. So as a summary for all what we did in this video, we just see how to customize the logo, the menu. Also, we can now feel confident about how to change the logo, upload it, and change its size and crop it, and work with photo editor inside WordPress. All these are basic features of WordPress. We just implemented that in this video, and we're gonna follow up with you in the next video how to customize the footer, add the logo here, add the description over here, and also how to modify these items over here to match our needs. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video.